Hey everybody, mel0n here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out another sponsored product. Thank you very much to X-Raypad for sending out a copy of their Cicada Wing Grip Tape for us to unbox today. We're going to go ahead and crack this open and see what is cooking. X-Raypad has been doing a lot of different stuff. They're normally known for their mouse pads more than anything, but they've started to kind of branch into mouse skates and mouse grip tape as well now, which is very interesting. And based on how solid the quality was on their X-Raypad, I still have my old one from 3 years ago and it's still going strong. I'm very interested to see how this is going to feel today. Let's go ahead and get this open here. So what do we got in here? Looks like we have the universal kit here. So, oh wow, these are a lot. These are nice actually. Okay, so included we have 2 sets of little X-ray branded, looks like adhesive removal wipes and alcohol pads. So that's nice to see. And then inside we have the grip tape itself. So this is a universal kits, but they do sell kits for specific mice if you're looking for that. Oh, wow, this is very sticky. Okay, hold on, let's see if I can actually get this out of the packaging, because it's quite in there. I mean, that's a good sign. The grip tape's sticky, so I mean, that's a good sign more than anything, but it's definitely hard to get out, that's for sure. Hold technical difficulties. All right, there we go, we got them out. Okay, so you can see the texturing on these here. So they're kind of this interesting, very, actually I was gonna say very reminiscent of what an insect wing would look like kind of texture. So you have 4 corners, you have some angled ones here, you have a bunch of squares, diamonds, rectangles, some circular ones here, and then some grips here. Now off the initial, they actually feel very good. They're very grippy actually. So these will be interesting to see how these feel, because the most recent experience I've had with grip tape has been the Soul Spacer grips. So I'm actually quite interested to see how these will feel on an actual mouse here. I think I'm going to use my Keychron M3 for this test. We're going to try these out on here. So I have quite a few left over, which is nice to see. So these are probably going to be more for fingertip. These are going to be for the main clicks, and these are probably going to be for like back grips and that kind of stuff, or like palm grips if you really wanted to. I guess I could put one like right here if I wanted to, but I'm going to leave it like this for now. But overall, I must say, these actually feel very nice. They have a good grip to them for sure. Like they definitely, like my thumb definitely has a lot of traction on this one, and you definitely do have to put a lot of pressure onto it to have a grip on it, but it definitely feels really nice. And the ability just to kind of put them on wherever you want is really nice too. Like I have one on my pinky here, one on my ring finger, and then my main fingers here and stuff here. But yeah, I was gonna say this actually feels quite nice. I'm actually quite a big fan of these. Oh yes, these are the super thin ones as well. These are 0.2 millimeters thick. I forgot to mention that earlier. These are 0.2 millimeter thick grip tape, which is again very, very tiny, which is nice to see. But yeah, I was gonna say overall, these actually look really nice. They have a really good feel to them. It'll be interesting to go back to regular grips after using the Soul Spacers for so long, but I'm excited to try and see how these feel in daily use. But yeah, but anyways, I'll have a full review up in a couple weeks after I do a little bit of testing on this guy. Yeah, we'll see you then. But again, thank you very much, X-Raypad, for sending these out. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.